The first step in making this Christmas tree is you're going to get a soft cover book and you're going to go ahead and rip off the cover. So the first step is you're going to take the right corner and bring it down along the gutter, like so. Then you're going to take the bottom right corner and fold it up, like so. So you have one big triangle, one small triangle. Kind of looks like a sailboat. And you're going to go ahead and repeat that. So one big triangle, one small triangle. One big triangle, one small triangle. While I'm doing this, would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the Sunday tutorials that come out. There's hundreds of videos, both on book folding as well as anything related to paper crafts with upcycled paper. So this is step one. And depending on the thickness of the paper, will depend on how many of these you want to make. Okay, so step two is you're going to need a glue gun. So I've been warming mine up. And I'm actually not going to start with that first page. I'm going to start right here. It'll be a little bit easier. And you're going to go ahead and take this right here and curve it into a cone, like so. Now I'm thinking about this, I really don't like the black paper because you might want to think about that because it is a Christmas tree and I kind of want to go for that winter theme. So I'm just going to tear those pages out. I didn't actually think about that till just now. So that's totally up to you if there happens to be different colors, how you want to handle it. So you go ahead and then you're going to turn it into a cone. You're not folding it like you would do with most book folding. You're just going to curl it up like this. And then you're going to take your glue gun and run it right on that corner, right on that edge, to hold it, like so. So you have like a cone. And then you're going to repeat that. So again, putting plenty of glue right there and making another cone. And if it doesn't hold exactly, go ahead and add a little bit more glue. No big deal. Still don't have it quite right, no big deal. Just do it until you get it the way you like it. No rush. So now I have two done. And you can decide how many you want to do. So you go back to the folding because I need more of the pages to curl. So it's really up to you whether you want to go ahead and do all the folding first or the curling. I'm doing it this way primarily because I'm not really sure how many pages I want to do. I'm just kind of going to go until it's a nice and full tree. But you can already see with just the 3 that I've done so far, how pretty this tree is going to be. You can probably put together this entire thing once you know how to do it in 10 minutes, including the decorating. So it's just a really quick, make a really nice quick last minute housewarming gift, little gift for the holidays. You can attach like a nice little gift card to it even if you want to use it as a way to present a gift. So I'm going to continue doing this and then we'll meet back when it's fully formed and I'll show you the last few steps. towards the end of your project, it's going to start to get trickier to curl these. So what I'm doing, let me just show you. You curl it in, and then I'm just adding really just a little bit of glue right here just to hold it to the one next to it. That's really all you need, just a little bit. So you don't have to worry about getting back into that gutter anymore at this point. For the most part, they're just kind of holding on by themselves with the friction. And we're just about done. Two more I'm trying to kind of squeeze in. Again, it's totally up to you how many you want. I prefer my tree a little bit fuller, with it really kind of squished together, but that's really a preference. And then for the last one, again, pull that in, and then secure it. And then if you want, you could secure it on the other end too, just to hide everything. And then if anything isn't holding in place, just add a little bit more glue here and there. But this is the finished tree, and then I'm going to go ahead and start decorating it now. The first step I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and wrap this gold ribbon around my tree to start decorating it. And to do that, I'm just going to tuck it in between the fold, like so, to get it started. And then I'm just going to secure it with a little bit of that glue gun, that hot glue. Hold that for a second. And then you can start twirling it around your tree. And I like to secure it every so often just to hold it where I want it. Right there. Just so it kind of stays where you want it. Until you have it where you want it. And again, at the end, just go ahead and tuck it in to secure it. Not exactly how you like it, feel free to fiddle with it. So I'm going to hold this a little bit further down, tuck a little bit of glue there. And you can see it's starting to take shape. Remember, it is kind of hot because I'm sitting here burning myself. And then it's up to you from here how you want to keep decorating it. I like to put like some sort of topper on it, but if you want to use, you could use some pom-poms. I like to use these little stickers. I'm going to go ahead and do red and green. So you can just go ahead and stick them. Like so. Just, if you want to use glue gun to make sure it stays, that's fine too. Yeah, that's pretty, and then I add some green. So you can see very quickly, you can get lots of color in here. If you want to use a little bit of fairy lights, you could wrap those around too, so your tree lights up. That's always a possibility. But you just keep decorating it until it's how you want it to be. And you might just need to use some glue gun or whatever to hold everything exactly where you want it. But these stickers you can get at the dollar store, you can get them at a craft store, but they're relatively inexpensive, which is the nice thing. But as you can see, you can put together this entire craft, I would say, in 10 minutes. And then you can decide if you want to put a topper on. But there you have it. A really fun, easy Christmas craft.